Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Advocate Rioba. I implore you to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share the video with your friends, neighbors, or anyone whose this information will be helpful to. In this video, we're going to continue with the series on conveyancing, the selling and buying of property in Kenya. So, in our previous videos, we had done due diligence on the seller if he's an individual. We did a due diligence to the seller if it's a company. On the latest video, we had discussed about professional undertaking. If you haven't looked at those videos, kindly go and check those videos. Then you come back, we proceed with this one. Now that you have done that, we proceed. We are going to discuss what is called a completion day and completion document. Simply put, completion day is where you have decided you're going to pay the remaining balance after you've paid the deposit, and you're going to receive transfer documents from the seller so that it can help you transfer the property from the seller's name to your name. Simply, that is what is called a completion date and a completion document. Normally, the completion documents are going to be stated out in the sale agreement. And which are these completion documents? Number one, we will have the sale agreement. The sale agreement is a document that shows all the rules, all the dates of what you need to do. This sale agreement has to be stamped by also the Attorney General. When you pay a stamp duty, it is stamped so that it can become evidence. This is on top of the fact that your advocate has already stamped it, you and your witnesses have stamped it, and the seller's witnesses have already stamped it together with the seller. After the sale agreement, the next completion document is going to be the board resolution. Because you're buying from a company, you have to get a board resolution document that shows that the board of this particular company sat down, decided on which land they are going to sell, and made a resolution on the amount of money they are going to sell the land for. The third document is the certified copy of the certificate of registration of that company. The fourth document is the PIN certificate or the KRA PIN certificate of that company. The fifth document is the identification documents of the directors of that company. Ordinarily, that is going to be the identification card. The sixth document is going to be the PIN certificate also for those directors. Now, if you're buying a freehold land, which you're going to discuss later in the program, but simply put as the agricultural land, you're going to have what is called the board consent application, which is an application written to the Land Control Board to show that the particular company went to the board and applied to the board that this particular land they are willing to sell to a particular person on this particular amount. The next document, which is going to be number 8, the consent of the Land Control Board for the particular company to sell you the land. So, the other document that you're going to need is a registry index map or the ring that shows that your particular land is actually a land within the boundaries of Kenya. So it is important for you to get this document. And on top of it all, you have to get the original title deed of the particular land you're selling. When you get the original title deed of the land you're selling, it will also enclose the transfer forms, which will be in triplicate. That means there will be 3. So the transfer forms have to be duly signed and have passport photos of the directors of that particular company selling you the land. So when you get all these particular completion documents, then you now pay the rest of the purchase price. These documents, you will take them to the registry, and it will enable you transfer the land to you. So the next time you're buying land and you've reached the completion date, kindly ensure that all these documents that you have listed are there. I hope this is educative. The next time we're going to deal with other aspects of the conveyancing and the registration process. Until then, stay safe, my friends. If you have any other comment or any other topic you want me to deliver for you, kindly put it in the comment section or contact me directly with the contacts that are in the bio. Thank you, and God bless you.